Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Realme phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Realme phone Bluetooth full setting. Friends, you want to connect any Bluetooth device on your Realme phone device, so how to connect and how to use Bluetooth setting. In this video friends we will talk about one by one and step by step. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Realme phone device. So friends, click on Realme phone, Bluetooth setting, and on your Bluetooth. After on Bluetooth guys, refresh your Bluetooth setting. After refresh guys, which device you have friends, headphones, earphones, earbud, speaker. Select your device. Friends, I have this speaker, GMD speaker, so I will click here. Friends, you can see pair notification. Friends, click here right side and connect. So after 4 and 5 seconds, guys, device will connect with your Realme phone device, and friends, you can use guys your Bluetooth device on your Realme mobile. And friends, if you click here right side, friends, click here, friends, you can see disconnect option. Friends, you want to disconnect your Bluetooth device, you can disconnect device. And friends, again if you click here, so you can connect again. So friends, again click here. Friends, you want to change your Bluetooth speaker device name, Bluetooth headphone device name, Bluetooth earphones, earbuds, you can change device name from here. Click here and you can change it. Save here, you can change it. And plus if you click on pair option, as after unpair you cannot use this Bluetooth device again with your Realme phone. Friends, if you click here, you will have to give permission here pair option, then friends you can use the device. So like that friends, we can use Bluetooth setting. And friends, you can check your Realme phone Bluetooth device name. And friends, you want to change your Bluetooth device name, so you can change your Bluetooth device name from here. And first you can check your Bluetooth device advanced setting from here. So like that first we can connect Bluetooth device, we can disconnect, and we can unpair on Realme phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching.